Someone asked, pakigawa po yung family tree ko. Gaano kabilis po yon bago matapos? Salamat po sa paggamit ng salitang paki. Pero nag-iwan po ng pagkabilasa ang Asumera vibes ng comment. Unang-una, as a genealogist, I work exclusively with institutional clients. There are other professional genealogists you may hire. Many have Facebook pages naman po. You can ask for a quote based on your research objectives. Iba-iba po ang pricing models, depende kung ano ang kailangan yung paggawa at ang experience ng gagawa. So, for example, if you ask me to find civil or church records for a person, I get paid by research hour. The client would have to authorize the number of research hours and I will give them what I find within that time period. Pwedeng meron akong mahanap, pwedeng wala, but I still get paid. The client also shoulders costs like transportation and travel expenses if going to a cemetery or provincial civil registry is needed. Also, costs for legal documents like limited power of attorney. Some repositories need this before allowing third parties to ask for civil records, or even non-disclosure agreements in the case of sensitive research. Tree visualization or making a biography is priced in a different way. I document all of this in a terms of reference document before engaging with any client. Pangalawa, I need to want to do the project and I need to like who I am working with. Matanda na po ako, gasgas na, pasensya ko. Kung hindi ako enjoy, hindi ko gagawin. I also have other projects with the Autism Society Philippines and with my content creation, which are also important to me. So, timing plays a factor. Pangatlo, ang vibe nitong comment, parang naghihintay ng package delivery from online shopping. Hindi po ganun ang family history research, lalo na sa Pilipinas. I have been researching my family tree for 20 years, and I have only found at the farthest my 7 times great-grandparents on my mother's side from about 1740, 1750. I have only gone back to my paternal great-grandfather because of the lack of records and my inability to explore his hometown. Kaya naman my family tree is lopsided. Remember, to research your family for, say, the last 500 years, up to about your 10 times great-grandparents, you need to look for this many people. Ninuno pa lang yan, hindi pa kasama yung mga kapatid nila. Considering the dismal state of accessibility to historical church and civil records in the Philippines, sa palagay ninyo, gaano katagal gumawa ng family tree? And even if you get to the 1600s, you still have more ancestors beyond that. Mga kapatid, wala pong katapusan ang pagtuklas ni Nuno. Ito naman po ang pakiusap ko. Gawin po ninyo yung family tree ninyo hanggang sa kaya ninyo. Be driven by primary documents and evidence, not by kwento. Although, yung kwento can give you hints on what to look for. Kung mausap kayo ng genealogist kapag na-brick wall na kayo. Kasi po, ayoko ipagkait sa inyo yung adventure na dala ng pagiging isang ninuno hunter. May kilig kapag nakahanap ka ng older generation. Masaya po. O, di ba?
Meow meow.